Hey guys, wanna know how to remove your teammates in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you've done that, right here you can see my teammate right here. So removing them is pretty easy, so just simply select this arrow icon right here and just select kick out. So this will automatically kick your teammate out, but make sure you are the leader as well. So just simply select kick out, and that's it. After that, your removal will be successful. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.